love, trauma, and lies crashing together in a courtroom. That's the Diddy trial, and right now, as of May 26, 2025, it's got everyone glued to their screens. Cassie Ventura's testimony. It's the talk of the town, especially with that $20 million settlement she scored from Diddy back in 2023 after their civil lawsuit. I've been digging into this, and we're not here to just repeat the headlines. We're going to break it all down, figure out what's up with memory, relationships, and how justice plays out. This is all for education and discussion based on what's been reported in the testimony. So let's jump right in. Cassie told the agents the alleged rape from 2018 went down in September. But when they started prepping for trial, sifting through text messages, piecing together timelines, really getting into the nitty-gritty, they found out it was actually August. In court, she switched it to August, and the defense was all over it. Wait a minute, you got the month wrong? That hits like a warning sign, doesn't it? But hold on, let's not rush to judge. Memory is a funny thing. When you're stressed or dealing with something heavy like trauma, dates can get jumbled up. Think about it. Have you ever mixed up a big event, like a wedding or a party, by a month? It happens. The prosecution stepped in, asking, "Did you look at the government's document before today?" Nope. Could you fix any mistakes? Nope. So she's basically saying, look, I didn't even see those papers. A month off isn't the end of the world. It's not some huge, obvious lie, but it does leave a little crack in what she's saying. Does that make you doubt her? Or is it just a normal slip-up? How much do you lean on someone's memory when the stakes are this high? Tell me what you think down below. Now, let's shift gears. This part's going to shake you. Cassie admitted she had consensual sex with Diddy after that alleged rape. Yeah, you heard me right. One night, her boyfriend, now her husband, Alex Fine, tried to FaceTime her, and she flat out ignored it. On top of that, she was sending Diddy heart emojis, meeting up at parties, and even chilling with him on September 27th, 2018. If someone hurt you like that, would you keep the lines open? Let's chew on this a bit. There's this thing called trauma bonding. Sticking with someone who's hurt you because it feels weirdly safe, like you're stuck in a loop you can't escape. Then there's a relationship side. Cassie was trying to move from being Diddy's side piece to Alex's main girl, but those old connections wouldn't let go. And power? Diddy's hold over her, especially in those crazy tunnel moments, might have kept her coming back. Imagine trying to balance a fresh start with a past that won't fade. New love fighting against old wounds. Was she just coping with what happened? Or does this throw a wrench in her story as a victim? Put yourself in her shoes. Would you stick around or cut him off for good? I'd love to hear your take in the comments. And then we step into the courtroom, where things got tactical. The defense attorney, Anna Estevao, handled Cassie like a pro. She started off gentle, throwing out a compliment like, "You're pretty," getting Cassie to let her guard down. But then, boom, she went in hard. The timeline mix-up, those flirty texts, the FaceTime snub. It was all planned. Soften her up, then land the punches. Why a woman on the defense team? Maybe she connected with Cassie in a way a guy couldn't. Men might have come on too strong and scared her off. Look at how they dressed. Cassie's tight dress on direct examination screamed vulnerability, like she wanted the jury to see her pain. But when Estevao took over for cross-examination, she rocked a black jacket and boots, hair pulled back, looking ready to battle. Cassie matched that energy later, pulling her hair back too. It was like a mental duel between them. This was clever lawyering, showing how a well-played strategy can turn a story upside down. Does that feel like a smart move to you, or more like a sneaky play? How much do you think the way someone looks or acts sways a jury? Let me know your thoughts. Here's another piece of the puzzle. Age and a bit of jealousy. Back in 2015, Cassie was 29 and got visibly upset when Diddy started seeing a 22-year-old, even though he'd met her at 19 or 21. It's a pattern. Older women feeling the heat when younger ones step in. Society's got this thing for youth. Check out celebrity couples, and you'll see age gaps of 5 to 10 years popping up all the time. Was Cassie mad at Diddy for moving on, or at herself for not being that young spark anymore? Probably a bit of both. It's like a story we've all seen before. When we feel like we're losing our edge, we start pointing fingers. Is this about power dynamics or just how people naturally act? Have you ever felt replaced by someone newer? How did that feel for you? Drop your story in the comments. So, we walked through Cassie's testimony, those memory hiccups, the tangled relationships, the legal chess game, and that age jealousy angle. This trial isn't just about one case. It's a mirror showing how we love, how we stretch the truth, and how we chase justice. Credibility? It's not a straight line. Those text messages and tearful moments don't always add up perfectly. With everything still unfolding as of May 26, 2025, there's a lot more to watch. What do you make of Cassie's choices? Does her story still stand strong? If this breakdown got you thinking, take a peek at our other videos on the channel. There's a ton of courtroom drama waiting to pull you in. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave a comment with what's on your mind. Thanks for sticking with me. Let's keep digging into the truth together.